Kingston town to the hills of Montego Bay. They're pushing us down, they want to lead us astray. But with every heartbeat, yes, we'll find our way. Oh, Jah guide us every night and day. From the ghettos rise and we shall proclaim, no more tears, no more living in shame. Oh, as far as my soul can see, Rasta rise, we rise like a prophecy. Brothers and sisters in the fields we toil. They want to drain us but won't take our soil. Freedom fighters rise up from the spoil. Together we're strong, we won't let them foil. Legacies live of our heroes gone past. Their voices speak through us, we will make it last. Oh, as far as my soul can see, Rasta rise in sky, so let it be. In the rhythm of our drums, we find our strength. To the lyrics of our songs, we'll go to great lengths. Find a cycle flies, standing tall at last. In the unity and love, we'll break the spells they cast. Oh, as far as my soul can see, Rasta rise, we rise like a prophecy. Break the chain, set the people free, like the sun in the sky, so let it be.